I'm going to be making Ree Drummond's honey garlic chicken bites. So it calls for thighs. I don't have thighs, I'm using breasts, but it's whatever. I'm gonna heat up 1 tablespoon of olive oil in my cast iron skillet and 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm losing it, you guys. They are thighs. So cut them up into small bite-sized pieces. And it calls for 1.5 pounds. So I bought a big family pack, so I'm just gonna use that was 3 pounds, so I'm just gonna use like half of the chicken that was in there. Okay, then I'm gonna add the chicken to my oil and butter. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. I just washed my hands, so don't worry about that. And then these are gonna cook for about 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, then to the chicken, I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of butter. I am going to add 4 garlic cloves, which is the equivalent of 4 teaspoons. 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Oh, you guys always ask me about these long-handled measuring spoons. I love, love, love them. The link for them is up in my bio. If you go to my Amazon store, they are under the mealtime category. And then I'm also going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey. Okay, then I'm just going to cook this about another 3, 4, 5 minutes, something like that, until it starts to caramelize. While this is cooking, I've got some rice going back here. See how that is starting to caramelize? Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. Between the honey and the garlic, yummy. So this is pretty much done. Now I'm just waiting on the rice. Okay, there is the finished honey garlic chicken bites and some rice-a-roni, chicken flavored. It was so good, you guys.
Is it good?
Here is the recipe if you guys want to screenshot it. So yummy. Okay, have a good night.